Hi boys and girls, we are ready for another new week of digital learning, and looks like that's the way it's going to be for the rest of the year. So we've gotten used to it now, so not a problem. We're going to continue on with it. Y'all are doing a great job. I'm really proud of you. I've loved the emails I've gotten from your moms and dads telling me the different ways that you are learning and being such a good sport about it all, and I'm super proud of you. This week we are going to look at another letter at the end of the alphabet. We've been talking about Y for the last few weeks. This week we're going to talk about the letter W, and we're going to talk about it at the beginning of a word. So W is tricky because some words start with W and some start with WH, and it's really hard to tell which it is. Some of it you just really have to learn. One little trick is if it's just W, usually your mouth just goes wah, like in the word way. But if you have a WH, it's more of a wah, wah, like the word white. So look, watch my lips when I say those words. Way, white. So WH, there's almost like a little puff, white. You can feel your breath. Way, you don't feel anything. So that's one way to kind of help you remember. They're a little tricky. Those are the ones that first graders really have a hard time with. So it's important that you learn these words. So we'll practice those all week long. We're going to have a story today called What Is It? What is a word that we use a lot, and so they'll have some W words in it. In math, you're going to be very excited, I think. We're finally starting double digits. So we're going to do double digit addition and double digit subtraction. So I've got my little, y'all know what this even is? Y'all know we talk a lot about when Mrs. Armstrong was a little girl. Well, this is a chalkboard. That's what we used to use. So as you can see, I've got our spelling for W and H, but I also have, this is our double digit addition. So notice that we're writing our numbers going down, okay, vertically. So we've got 42 plus 26. Mrs. Waters is going to do some explaining and some videos with this to help you out, but it's very important with double digits that you always start in the ones column. That's why we spend a lot of time talking about place value. So you're going to start in the ones, because sometimes if you don't start in the ones, it's going to mess up your whole problem. So every time when you do double digit, you're going to start in the ones. So you would add the 2 and the 6 first, which would be what? Remember, start on the bigger number and count up. So I've already have 6, and I'm going to add 2 more. I'm going to go 7, 8. All right, so I'm going to write my 8. Now I'm going to go to my tens column, and I'm going to add 4 plus 2. 4 is the larger number, so we're just going to count up 2. We already have 4, so 5, 6. And so my answer is 68. This line right here, that's like an equals sign. That's what it means. It's an equal sign. But when you're adding and subtracting larger numbers, it's easier to do it vertically, where you line up the ones and the tens. So instead of seeing that equals, the 2 lines, you're going to see this 1 line when we do it vertically. Very important also to notice the plus sign. That's what we do with addition. We're going to start off the week doing addition, but then we will do subtraction. And we might have some where we do addition and subtraction, so you have to look for that sign. But I think you'll enjoy this. We'll do a lot of practice. We're also going to continue with our IB unit, How the World Works. We've been talking about tools, and I know Mrs. Gordon has mentioned and has been working with y'all a little bit introducing simple machines. So we're also going to move towards that this week. We'll have a little booklet to read in color that shows what simple machines are and the definitions for them, and I will show pictures, and it just makes it very simple for you to see what simple machines are. So I hope you will enjoy all those things, and let's have another great week. All right, see you soon.